Welcome to MacPhee Ford. Today we'll be looking at this brand new 2023 Ford F-650. Now this particular F-650 is finished in Oxford white. It also has the 6.7 liter PowerStroke turbo diesel engine. Makes 300 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque. It's a regular cab model. Now this particular F-650 has a 27,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating. We also do have an air seat here as well. You get your standard stick and key. Now inside this F-650, we do have our power locks as well as our one-touch automatic windows, power mirrors, and we do have automatic headlights with our dash dimming buttons there. And on this general, we do have controls for the center gauge cluster screen. We have cruise control as well as our volume and our phone buttons there. And we can run through various settings in this gauge cluster. We have our trip 1 and 2. We also have fuel economy. We have our range, driver assist features, various settings in here as well. Now up top here, we just have a very simple radio. We do have air conditioning as well. We do have some pre-wired auxiliary switches. So these are preamps. You can actually tap into these and use them for potential upfits, or maybe you want a light bar or winch or whatnot off of that. Then we do have your exhaust brake as well as a 12-volt connector there. We have a little coin storage holder, and this one is fitted with a 110-volt outlet. You can use that. This is your parking brake. And we do have the fire extinguisher there. This is also a bench seat, so you can fit 3 people in here as well. Now obviously this isn't a regular F-650. Our friends at Drive Products did do a Voth truck bodies 13'9" hybrid dump body in the back of the truck. This is a 13'9" box. There's also other length options as well. We do have the split side option here. So you can operate these independently, or you can also take the centerpiece out here and have the open side. You have your Goodyear Fuel Max wheels. So this is a hybrid box, so we do have the aluminum tailgate as well as the sides, but the floor is steel. Everything's 3/16. We also do have a receiver hitch on the bottom there with some tow hooks. And on the right side, we do have some storage boxes here. These are aluminum storage boxes, as well as another one here. Now, because this is the hybrid box, we do have a steel floor with the steel headboard. This headboards go from a 53 to a 70-inch, and the sides of the box are also aluminum as well. So this is the operation of the dump box. So we will. So if you're interested in getting an F-650 or an F-750 just like this one, don't hesitate to give us a call at MacPhee Ford. We are the only medium-duty truck supplier in the Maritimes. Our fleet manager will certainly help you out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.